Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best Coffin Nails is probably one of the most stylish and edgy nail shapes out there, and in this video, we're diving deep into the world of Coffin Nails. We'll explore everything from the different lengths and designs to the best brands and application techniques. Whether you're a seasoned nail art enthusiast or a beginner looking to spice up your manicure game, this video is your ultimate guide to achieving the perfect coffin nail look. Number 5. BTArtbox Coffin Nails, 500 PCS Full Cover. These BTArtbox coffin nails come in 10 different sizes, with 50 nails of each size. You can easily find the perfect fit for every finger. This makes application simple and convenient. The nails feature a natural clear color and a classic coffin shape, also known as ballerina nails. The square end design adds an elegant touch. They are available in long and short lengths to suit your style. These full-cover artificial nails are easy to trim, paint, and apply. They hold color well without separating or streaking. You can pair them with paint and decorations for a more natural look. Made from high-quality ABS material, these nails are environmentally friendly, non-toxic, and odorless. This material ensures the nails are durable and look natural, without harming your nails or body. These coffin fake nails are great for both professionals and beginners. They are suitable for salons and DIY nail art at home. They also make a wonderful gift for your loved ones and are perfect for various occasions. What we like. This product offers a wide range of sizes, ensuring a perfect fit for every nail. It's also incredibly easy to use, making it ideal for both beginners and professionals. If you're looking for a durable and user-friendly option, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. They're sturdy, the perfect shape and just overall amazing quality. These have nice curve and fits well in the nail bed. Also you can shape it works well. They are pre-filed underneath so they stick well to your real nails, as long as you prime your real nails first. Number 4. Beetles 500 PCS Coffin Pre-Shaped Nail Tips. These preformed gel nails make nail extensions quick and easy. Compared to traditional methods, it reduces the shaping and repairing process. This makes it simpler and more efficient for everyone. The kit includes 10 sizes, with 50 nails of each size, totaling 500 pieces. Each tip is marked with a number for easy size selection. They are suitable for both professionals and beginners. Made of acrylic, these nail tips are resilient and break-resistant. The design ensures a flexible fit for various nail shapes. The thin back end and thick free edge make them fit naturally and beautifully. This kit is an affordable alternative. They are lightweight, durable, and come in a large quantity. With proper application, your nails can last for weeks. It is also harmless and protects your natural nails. It can be used with various nail products to create personalized styles. Enjoy the fun of DIY manicures with these tips. This allows for more possibilities in nail art. What we like. With its preformed design, this product simplifies the nail extension process, saving you time and effort. It also offers a variety of sizes and is cost-effective. If you are a beginner or a busy nail artist, this product will be your best choice. What people say. Very easy to use and the nails are very high quality. Each nail does have a number at the very tip so you know what size you are using. The fit is exceptional and well. Number 3. KROFAUE 500 PCS French Nail Tips. Introducing the KROFAUE nail tips, designed for easy application and a professional finish. These tips offer a long-lasting result, saving you time and money compared to salon visits. Enjoy a flawless DIY nail experience. These ultra-flexible nail tips bend without a trace, maintaining their crystal clear look. They are soft yet strong, perfect for creating beautiful almond nails at home. It's a dream come true for DIY nail art lovers. The KROFAUE acrylic coffin nail tips are designed with the perfect length and thickness. You can wear them long or short, or design your own style by adding decorations. They are versatile for any nail art project. You can wear these tips long or short, and easily trim and file them to your desired shape. Once painted or decorated, they look natural and hold color well without any issues. Customize your nails with ease. These professional false nail tips from KROFAUE make a great gift for any occasion. Whether it's Christmas, a birthday, or a wedding, they are a perfect present for any female friend. Give the gift of beautiful nails. What we like. These tips offer a professional French manicure look with incredible flexibility. You can easily customize the length and shape to match your style. If you like to create your own nail art, this product is perfect for you. What people say. They file and shape smoothly without cracking, and they hold gel or polish really well. They had a great size assortment and were easy to file and apply with glue. They held on great, no issues with lifting or breaking until my natural nails grew out, and they are nice and thin. Number 2. Beetles Etch X Medium Coffin Gel Nail Tips. Want beautiful nails without the hassle? These gel nail tips make it easy to extend your nails. They are designed for a quick and professional look. These nail tips are made to last. Each tip is thicker than natural nails, providing superior strength and durability. You can enjoy your beautiful nails for weeks. Forget about time-consuming shaping and filing. These pre-etched tips fit perfectly on your nails. It takes only minutes to apply, saving you time and effort. This kit includes 288 nail tips in 12 sizes, ensuring a perfect fit. The tips are numbered for easy size selection. It's suitable for both professionals and beginners. These nail tips are designed for comfort and durability. The thin back edge fits seamlessly, and the formula provides excellent break resistance. Please note that nail glue is not included. These full cover tips are made from high-quality PMMA material. They are breathable, lightweight, and safe for your nails. Enjoy a hassle-free, long-lasting, and beautiful manicure. What we like. This product eliminates the need for shaping and filing, saving you time and effort. The tips are also incredibly strong and durable. If you are looking for a quick and long-lasting manicure, you should consider this. What people say. They are very easy to apply and they last a long time. The shape is perfect and they are very sturdy. They are easy to file and paint. Number 1. MORGLES Coffin Nail Tips Kit. This kit includes everything you need for beautiful nails. It comes with 500 clear nail tips, various gels, a clipper, and more. You can easily create glamorous and stylish tips with this set. The nail tips are made from high-quality ABS material, which is both light and durable. It's a non-toxic material, so it won't harm your nails or body. Each set includes 10 different sizes, numbered for easy use. The included nail files and buffers help you shape your nails to the desired length and shape. They also prep the nail surface for the gel polish. This ensures the polish adheres properly and lasts longer. These nail tips are easy to trim, paint, and apply. They hold color well without separating or streaking. With some paint and decorations, your nails can look even more natural. This kit is perfect for both professional nail technicians and beginners. It's great for salons or DIY nail art at home. Keep your nails beautiful and charming for any occasion. What we like. This kit includes everything you need for a complete manicure, making it a great value. It's also easy to use, perfect for both salon and home use. If you are looking for a comprehensive and convenient nail art solution, you should consider this. What people say. The nails are very sturdy and don't bend easily. They are easy to apply and shape. The coffin shape is perfect and looks very elegant. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.